Throughout history, cities have stood at the vanguard of human progress, characterized by their ever-changing landscapes and vibrant rhythms. However, as urban centers continue to expand and infrastructure demands reach new heights, the imperative for intelligent and sustainable urban planning becomes increasingly evident. In this scenario, artificial intelligence emerges as a transformative force, reshaping every domain it encounters, and urban planning is no exception. But how exactly do AI algorithms contribute to urban planning, facilitating the creation of efficient and sustainable cityscapes? Moreover, in what ways is AI revolutionizing the concept of smart cities, particularly through the advancement of architectural animation? Join us once again on World AI News as we delve into the intriguing possibilities that lie ahead. Imagine a lively urban environment featuring abundant green spaces, interconnected pathways, dedicated bike lanes, and a streamlined public transportation system effortlessly transporting you to your destination in a matter of minutes. This vision encapsulates the essence of the 15-minute city, where all essential services are conveniently located nearby, fostering public well-being and minimizing vehicle emissions. Surprisingly, the realization of this utopian city might be closer than we think, thanks to the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence. A groundbreaking study by researchers from Tsinghua University in China has unveiled AI's capacity to design cities more efficiently than humans, yielding astonishing results. But more on this in the latter part of the video, so stay tuned. Now, in the 21st century, which we commonly refer to as the urban century because, for the first time in history, over half of the global population resides in urban areas, this rapid urbanization introduces a multifaceted set of challenges for urban planners. They face challenges spanning from traffic congestion and environmental pollution to housing shortages and overstrained public resources. These complex problems demand solutions that extend beyond conventional planning and management strategies. Leveraging its capability to analyze extensive datasets and discern patterns, artificial intelligence provides a new perspective and cutting-edge tools to tackle these pressing urban issues. Urban energy efficiency and consumption. As cities contribute significantly to global energy consumption, there's a growing imperative to enhance urban energy efficiency. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in assisting city planners by analyzing energy consumption patterns and proposing adjustments to minimize wastage. For example, algorithms can determine the most energy-efficient lighting systems for public spaces or identity buildings that could benefit from retrofitting. The integration of AI into smart grids enables more effective energy distribution throughout the city, reducing outages and maximizing the utilization of renewable energy sources. Enhancing public safety and disaster response. AI stands as a transformative force in improving public safety measures within urban areas. By scrutinizing historical and real-time data, AI can predict potential crime hotspots, facilitating proactive interventions. Surveillance systems equipped with AI can identify unusual activities, leading to faster response times. In terms of disaster response, AI-driven predictive models can forecast natural disasters such as floods or earthquakes, enabling preemptive evacuations or the allocation of resources. Post-disaster drones equipped with AI can assess damage, pinpointing areas that require immediate attention. Managing urban mobility and traffic. Persistent traffic congestion in urban areas finds potential relief through AI-driven solutions. Utilizing advanced algorithms, real-time traffic data is analyzed to predict congestion points, allowing for the optimization of traffic light sequences to enhance flow. AI also has the capability to forecast potential pothole development and identify roads requiring maintenance, enabling preemptive measures. The development and integration of intelligent transportation systems are further supported by AI. Predictive algorithms can optimize public transit routes and schedules based on real-time demand, ensuring resource efficiency. As self-driving vehicles become more prevalent, AI will play a crucial role in seamless integration with existing transportation systems, reducing accidents and improving overall traffic flow. Urban housing and infrastructure advancement. Urban centers grapple with the substantial challenge of rising housing demands, and AI tools offer valuable assistance to planners. These tools aid in identifying optimal areas for development by analyzing factors such as soil quality, accessibility, and potential environmental impact. This ensures that new constructions are sustainable and aligned with the city's long-term goals. AI extends its support to architects in creating designs that maximize space, light, and resources. Through simulating various scenarios, architects can determine the most efficient design that offers optimal living conditions while minimizing resource consumption. Urban environmental monitoring and preservation. Okay, so modern cities grapple with urgent challenges such as the urban heat island effect, pollution, and diminishing green spaces. The deployment of AI-driven sensors provides a real-time monitoring solution for air and water quality, offering valuable insights into areas requiring immediate remediation. Through data analysis, AI serves as a valuable tool for city planners, aiding in the design of green spaces that not only enhance ecological benefits, but also contribute to carbon sequestration and biodiversity preservation. But how is AI influencing urban planning through architectural animation? Here's how. Predictive analytics. AI plays a crucial role in foreseeing future urban trends and challenges, enabling cities to proactively tackle issues like population growth, climate change, and infrastructure requirements. Realistic visualization. Architectural animation enhanced by AI enables stakeholders to visualize proposed urban projects with remarkable realism. This facilitates effective communication, public engagement, and informed decision-making. Safety and security. AI-powered surveillance and monitoring systems contribute to public safety by identifying potential security threats and responding in real time, enhancing overall safety measures. Waste management. AI capabilities extend to optimizing waste collection routes and enhancing recycling programs, leading to cost reduction and a positive environmental impact. Now let's delve into a few case studies that exemplify the influence of AI-enhanced architectural animation in the evolution of smart cities. Singapore's AI-powered urban planning. Recognized for its innovative urban planning, Singapore employs AI to construct predictive models of urban development. Through the analysis of historical data, AI assists in participating in future trends and challenges, facilitating proactive planning and infrastructure development. Barcelona's superblocks. Barcelona's initiative to establish superblocks focuses on reclaiming public spaces from vehicular traffic to create pedestrian-friendly areas. AI-powered simulations and visualizations have been instrumental in illustrating the advantages of this urban redesign to residents and stakeholders. Autonomous vehicles in Phoenix. In response to transportation challenges, the city of Phoenix, Arizona, is conducting trials with autonomous vehicles. AI simulations play a vital role in modeling traffic scenarios and evaluating the impact of autonomous vehicles on the city's road network. Copenhagen's Climate Adaptation Plan. Renowned for its commitment to urban sustainability, Copenhagen employs AI to model and visualize the potential impacts of climate change, such as rising sea levels. This assists in planning necessary infrastructure adaptations to address climate-related challenges. Now, let's revisit the concept of the 15-minute city that we introduced earlier in the video. The 15-minute city represents the pinnacle of urban planning, envisioning a sustainable, healthy, and convenient urban life. In this ideal city, all essential amenities, grocery stores, schools, healthcare facilities, parks, and more are within a 15-minute walk or bike ride from your residence. This innovative concept not only elevates our quality of life, but also tackles critical issues as mentioned earlier. As urban planners worldwide grapple with challenges such as overcrowding and the prevalence of concrete jungles, Yu Zheng and his team of automation scientists at Tsinghua University have introduced a groundbreaking AI system. Their objective is to automate the most laborious and time-consuming aspects of urban planning, paving the way for faster and more efficient city design. Following intensive development and training, the AI system showcased its capabilities in generating urban plans that surpassed human designs by an astonishing 50% across three crucial metrics: accessibility to services, availability of green spaces, and traffic management. The implications of this breakthrough are profound. Initially applied to smaller urban areas covering just a few square kilometers, the AI model already outperformed human planners at this scale. However, the challenge becomes infinitely more complex when scaling up to design entire cities. For instance, designing a neighborhood 4 times larger involves twice as many planning decisions. Despite this complexity, the potential time savings are monumental. Tasks that took human planners 50 to 100 minutes were completed by the AI model in mere seconds. The integration of automation in urban planning isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. Zhang and his team envision AI as a valuable assistant to urban planners. AI has the capability to generate concept designs optimized by algorithms, which can then be subjected to review, adjustments, and evaluations by human experts. Incorporating community feedback, this collaborative approach is crucial to ensure that urban planning goes beyond mere space allocation, contributing to the creation of vibrant and thriving communities. When comparing workflows involving both humans and AI with designs created solely by humans, the collaborative process demonstrated a notable increase in access to basic services and parks by 12% and 5%, respectively. This suggests that AI can complement human creativity and expertise, leading to the development of more efficient and people-centric urban plans. As urban areas continue their expression, the challenges they confront are set to intensify. However, the integration of AI brings forth a renowned sense of optimism. Incorporating AI into urban planning holds a promise, an assurance of cities that are not only more habitable and sustainable, but also finely attuned to the needs of their residents. Through the harnessing of AI's power, we're not merely reshaping our cities, we're reimagining the very essence of urban living. The vision of a future city powered by AI is not a distant dream, but an imminent reality. A reality that pledges harmony, efficiency, and sustainability. And with that, we conclude our video for today. We eagerly await your insights on the impact of AI in architecture. So please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and activating the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us.